we are looking at calculating all these stuffs, right? Okay, first we already know that A is 25, 50, 25, 60, 20, and 70. And we know the values under B as well. Now we want to see how we can calculate for C, which for C, which is A plus B, for D, which is A minus B, for E, which is A times B all squared, as factors of 1 square, F equal to A minus B raised to the power of 4. For G, A minus B raised to the power of 2 divided by B, H, A times B minus A minus B, I, A square minus B square, factors of 2 squares, plus A minus B raised to the power of 2, still factors of 2 squares, divided by 2A. We have J also, A minus B raised to the power of 2, factor of 1 square. A times B raised to the power of 2 divided by A. Now we're going to be looking at how we're going to be calculating every one of them, one after the other. Now this place will give us equal to, remember that in Excel you don't consider the numbers, you consider the cell where the numbers exist. Now you're going to have A plus B. You understand? We're not using sum because they are just few numbers, so we can use plus. That gives us C. We can autofill to get the remaining part of it. Now D is equal to, there's no point using sum when you have just two numbers. Use sum when you have lots of numbers. This minus this give us this. Now autofill it. Now we have A times B raised to power 2. But now there is no A times B yet, so we cannot do A times B raised to power 2. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a new column here. Create a new column. Go to right click, click on insert. I click on insert, you see shift cells right. You click OK. It moves the cells to right, leaving here empty. So you should have a column carrying A times B. Because if you don't have A times B, you cannot have A times B squared. Yes. So that will give us equal to A times B, right? That will give us that. So this is our A times B. We can autofill that to get the remaining. Now E now is A times B square, which is equal to, this is A times B, I B. A times B times A times B, right? That's square. Now that gives us this. Now we can autofill it. Now we have F equal to A minus B raised to the power of 4. Now if you look at it, we don't have anything raised to power, we don't have A minus B raised to power 2, so we can't do raised to power 4. So we have to create a new column again. Right click, insert, shift cells right. So we should have A minus B, sorry, you have A minus, let's put that in a bracket because we already have A minus B, so we should have square of A minus B. Let's open the bracket. A minus B minus B, close the bracket, all squares. We'll go to insert, go to symbol to put this raised to power 2, click on insert, close that, raised to power 2. Now this will now give us equal to, this is our A minus B, Abi? A minus B times A minus B, that's square. That gives us this. So this is A minus B raised to power 2. So autofill that. Now we can do A minus B raised to power of 4. That will now give us equal to A minus B multiplied by what? A minus B. Now I can autofill this part. You can just come here because of this dot that is showing. You can click on it, come here. You say ignore error. You can highlight, do that for every one of them. Ignore error, ignore error, ignore error, ignore error, ignore error. Now we have G equal to A minus B square divided by B. Now we have A minus B square already here. So that's going to give us equal to a minus b square, right? Divided by what? B. This is our b. Click enter. That gives us this value. Double click on that to get this. Now the next one is h equal to a times b minus a minus b. Now we check if we have a times b. We have a times b. We have a minus b. That means we can solve this. Equal to, this is a times b minus, where's our a minus b? This is a minus b. Click enter. It gives us the value. We proceed or to fill that. Go to this. This gave us, I have to arrange this very well. Let's see, there are some values that were even hidden. Okay, this gave us, this is I equal to a squared minus b squared plus a squared minus b squared. This is factors of 2 squared. Factors of 2 squared. Now a squared minus b squared. How do we solve that? This is different from this. A squared minus b squared is different from a minus b. So it's like saying, if we want to factorize this out now, this will now be a minus b, right? Bracket a minus b, a plus b. One will be a minus b, one will be a plus b. Why this other one will be a minus b, a minus b? Now this will give us, we should create a new column for this. So we can have insert cells. Now we can do something like, instead of going too far, we have a square. Do you understand? Have a square. What's a square now? It is equal to a times a. It gives us that, right? We should have also another column. Have another column. Oh, sorry for that. Have another column for b square. So we have b square. Go to symbol, insert, close. That gives us equal to b times b. Oops. B times b. This is that. So we have a square, b squared. So you can now have this column to be this, equal to, right? Open bracket, a squared minus b squared, close the bracket, plus, open another bracket, a squared minus b squared, close the bracket, divided by what? 2a. 2 multiplied by, open a bracket, what is the value of a? This is a. Close the bracket. Do you understand what I'm doing? Not just hope you are looking at it. You must open bracket. You have to fill that. Oh, sorry.
You have not to fill this one.
Oh, I didn't even go back to. I don't know why it was giving me 0. Okay, so I have to fill this one. I get the remaining values. Now for the last one, we have j minus, that will give us this because we have a minus b square already somewhere. This a minus b square divided by b. Where's our b? Go back to get our b divided by b. Plus a times b square. Where's our a times b square? We have a times b square. This is it. A times b square. Let me move this way a little. A times b squared, right? Which is f divided by what? A. Let's go and look for a. What's a? This is a. So move back. We'll click enter. So it gives us the value for that. So that's how we got it. Now the next part is to determine the maximum and minimum for the reaction. Now we have in another column maximum. We should have another column for minimum, another column for minimum. To expand the cell a little. Now maximum equal to max. You forgot max. You can just go highlight all of them from beginning to the end. Every one of them are reactions, so highlight everything to the end. Okay, that's A2 ratio N2. Click enter. So we've gotten the maximum as the highest number. Also for the minimum equal to MIN. They'll click on that. A2 ratio N2, I guess, yes. A2 ratio N2, click enter, we get the minimum. Now the next part of it says edit the tables, data sheet. We've edited it. Editing, let's make it look better, right? Can highlight it, highlight everything, put them in border, centralize everything, go back to home, centralize it, put them in border lines, all borders. Now the next thing we're going to have is rename the worksheet with the title. What's the title? Survey on industrial reaction. So how do we do that? Now we have, that means this cells has to come down. We highlight all, mount, highlight it, right click, go to insert again, shift cells down, click OK. It comes down. Highlight where you want to write the name, merge and center, survey on industrial reaction. Can highlight it and then grow it. I will give it a color, click out, click back, give the background a color, maybe good. Now next thing we'll look at is the parallax per se. Plot a well labeled pie chart. What I'm going to do to plot the pie chart, I will highlight everything I want to see on my chart. Highlight all, go to insert. Now this is what kind of chart is this? This is a pie chart. Click maybe this kind of pie chart, this type, let's say this type of pie chart. Then I bring it down. Now I could just make it look better or something. Depends on how I want it to be like. I can edit it further. So which there are different patterns. If I choose to take this, then if I want to work further, I'll go to click on that. Let's go to size and properties, and go to borders. So we don't really need much thing to do about this. Okay, now next part of it, necessary design to the chart. If you wish, explore the pie chart. So that's all about this. on how to do a simple calculation using your Excel, right? So you're going to be trying it on your own. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to